In this video, we'll cover how to run Scikit-Learn functions using UnifyML SQL. We will demonstrate running the linear regression algorithm using a UnifyML query. Let's explore the process of running a simple Scikit-Learn linear regression using UnifyML. Input table. Specify the required input table name. Input columns. List the necessary input column names. Target column. Define the target column to be predicted. Training sample size. Split the data into training and test sets. Specify the training data value here. The rest will be used for testing. Save model and output model. Save the model for future predictions using the Scikit-Learn linear regression on this data. There are additional parameters for linear regression that you can explore in the UnifyML documentation. These include partition column. Specify the column to partition the data. Input data types. Use this parameter if you need to change the data types of the columns. Parallelism. Set parallel execution and define the number of partitions. Data cleaning. Clean the data using one of four methods. Remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, or fill missing values. Data scaling. Scale the data using one of four methods. Min-max scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, or binarizer. For min-max scaler, specify the minimum and maximum values. If the data is previously cached, use the input cache ID instead of specifying the input table. Define the bytes per chunk parameter as needed for your model. Run the query. This will execute on the UnifyML server's backend. Output of the Scikit-Learn linear regression. The output will include MC, MAER, MSE, our superscript 2, accuracy coefficients for each column, intercept, and the saved model name. Now let's look at how to predict using the Scikit-Learn linear regression model with a UnifyML query. Input table. Specify the input table for prediction. Input model name. Use the name of the saved linear regression model. Additional prediction parameters include partition column. Define the column for partitioning. Input data types. Modify the data types of columns if necessary. Data cleaning. Clean the data using the available methods. Remove rows, duplicates, outliers, or fill missing values. Data scaling. Scale the data using the appropriate method. Input cache ID. If the data is cached, use the cache ID instead of the input table. You can choose to save the predicted output to the database with a Save to DB option and specify the output table name. To overwrite an existing table, set the Overwrite Output Table option to True. You can also save the output to a CSV file with the Save to CSV option and specify the output CSV file name. Run the prediction query. This will execute in the UnifyML server's backend. Output of the Scikit-Learn linear regression prediction. The output will include the input columns and the predicted column. With this approach, you can apply the Scikit-Learn linear regression model to any regression data set based on your requirements. Thank you for watching this video.